doing a taste test. Nothing but cookie butter. These are cake pops from Sam's. I don't need to try one. The other flavor I tried last night. Yeah, I seen that. I got to go try it. And then these cake pastry things from Sam's too. I'm gonna save some for my daddy so he can try some tomorrow. And I'm gonna save some so you can try some tomorrow. Can y'all see? Hold on, let me see. Oh, they actually smell pretty good. Alright. We got a knife. We're gonna cut it in half. Because I don't need the whole thing. I need a napkin. Alright, so the flavors are peanut butter, vanilla bean, and a chocolate chip or chocolate mini pies. Oh, these are mini pies. I'm not sure what this is on top. I'm a little scared. A little scared. I'm actually very scared. And then okay. So let's go with this vanilla bean one first, because this is the one I'm most scared about. Oh, it looked like a cheesecake on the inside. It actually tastes pretty good. I don't know what this filling is though. Oh, that's strawberry. Okay, that's not bad. I didn't think I would like that. I'm gonna need some more water. The whipped cream. I feel like it's cheap tape. I can't tell. I think it is though. Okay. I think I'm gonna cut it in fours because I really don't need a whole half. This is the chocolate one. I like that chocolate mousse. If it is, it's pretty good. But I think that's too much chocolate. Yeah, too much chocolate. And this is peanut butter. If you like peanut butter, this would be good. It's a little overpowering. Alright, so I'm gonna rank them. Vanilla bean is first. I guess chocolate second, and then peanut butter last. The chocolate was too chocolatey, and the peanut butter was too much peanut butter. Okay. I had cake pops. This is all for my birthday, mind you. The gym threw me a little birthday celebration. So I got these cake pops, an Oreo one, and a birthday cake one. I had this one last night. It was good. Let's see this one. I think you're getting too much chocolate, but it's good. I don't think I'm gonna finish that. I think I like the vanilla one better. And last but certainly not least, my nothing but. We're gonna see if mine or theirs is better. I wonder if they put, I wonder what kind of cake this is. Bottoms up. When they put a cookie at the bottom. It tastes like a I don't get Biscoff from this. Is it good? Yes. As good as mine? Absolutely not. Would I get it again? I'll stick to my, I like their pecan praline one. Maybe I should try that. One more. It's a no for me. Not bad, but not their best work. Okay, that's it for this tasting. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.